Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to talk about some important thing. Friends, when it comes to speaking something, we start thinking about others. So first of all, I want to make it very clear that if you want to improve yourself in this language, don't think about others. Yes, we are afraid of being judged by the other people, and all I want to say is improvement is very important. Like if you want to be a very good player, you have to practice. Come to the ground, you do some practice there. Don't be like a spectator who is just sitting, just clapping. No. So you need to understand that you are thinking about other people and you are very afraid, you fear speaking this language. But of course, if you have started your journey, I have heard somewhere that a journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. You need to take your first step. Yes, don't look back, because improvement is very important. And if you start thinking about other people and their opinions, they are not going to help you a lot. Friends, this is my personal experience. Like I have also felt that if you have the habit of listening, because listening is also important in this language. If you develop the habit of listening, you become very familiar with the words, how the words are being spoken, how the words are being pronounced. So it definitely helps you a lot. And apart from it, if you think like you are waiting for your right time, if your question is when is my right time, so all I can say is, my answer to your question is, this is your right time. You have to start from today. Don't wait for anything. Don't wait for your perfect grammar, translation, vocab and all. You need to take your first step ahead. Okay. So friends, even I have also done it so many times that whenever I feel like nobody is around me, when I get some time, I try to speak to myself. Yes, it plays a very, very crucial role in your spoken English. You want to improve yourself in this language, you need to spend your time alone. Try to think, create any story in your mind, even about your surroundings, about your emotion, and just try to describe whatever you are feeling. Just try to describe in your own words. So, why is it important? I can give you some reasons, like your pronunciation becomes very clearer with regular practice, and it also boosts your confidence. You don't have any fear. You learn to think in English, and you don't have fear because nobody is around you, nobody is judging you. So try to, if you do it on a regular basis, it will be very beneficial. So friends, in this video, that's all for today. I will come with another video.